Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video in which we are gonna talk about leading perpetuals trading platform LogX. So yes guys, today we are covering LogX. I will talk about it. I will also talk about the LogX airdrop. They have a lot of cool things and features that other platforms simply don't have, guys, and they are also leading platform with $5.65 billion trading volume, 11.40 million TVL, and over 128,000 users. Before we get started with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, guys, we can dive right into it. So LogX, as I said, it is a perpetual trading platform. And guys, they are live on Arbitrum, Mantle, Optimism, Mode, Blast, and few more. And LogX is also backed by Sequoia Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Hashed, and a few more renowned players in the industry, guys. They have already done $5 billion in trading plus, which is crazy. And the protocol is also audited by PegShield, and you can check that here, as you can see, right top corner, audited by PegShield. If you click on it, this redirects you to this Gitbook, which by the way contains some cool informations and guides. So if you are new to trading and if you want to learn how to navigate through LogX, which I will also show in the video obviously, then you can go ahead and view this Gitbook here. But I started talking about audit, so yeah, you click here, then it will pull up the PDF from PegShield, which is very solid auditing company, and as you can see, they have passed the audit with flying colors, no problems at all, guys. So yes, they are audited, they are safe. I mean, they've been around for a while now, and the fact itself that they have over 120,000 users, so much TVL and so much trading volume, as well as huge partners, which, as I said, Coinbase Ventures, for example, Sequoia, so they really do have the investors, they really do have the partners, okay? So that's absolutely great, guys. So today we'll talk about the features, which they have a lot of them. They also have this cool Telegram bot, which I want to cover as well. So yeah, as you can see, they have trading bots, which is very cool. I mean, yeah, I'll show you that in a second. Then they have lightning fast order book, and they also have these named pools. So that's how it looks like. Why trade on LogX? Multi-chain routing. LogX multi-chain routing innovation ensures that you can enjoy deep liquidity regardless of which chain your funds are on. They also have AI-enhanced trading. LogX enables traders to deploy AI-driven strategies, including trading bots, while enhancing risk management with a self-improving engine, which is very cool because you can actually let it trade on auto mode. And they are powered by TradingView, the charts, and all the price informations. Here you can check out the latest updates, and if you want to be fully up to date, then they have this newsletter on Substack, which I will link down below in the description, because that's from where we will be getting some of the topics for today's video as well. So let's get into the platform itself. You click launch app, you go to LogX right here, guys. So now we can talk about some of the stuff. First of all, introducing LogX Pro, lightning fast order book DEX for pro traders. So here they explain what this can do, how you can trade here, and you have also like an explanation of the features, which they have a lot of them. So as you can see, you have lightning fast order matching, you have sub 25 milliseconds latency, so this is like no latency at all. Tightest spreads in DeFi, optimizing cost efficiency, gasless transactions, which is also very game changing. Cross margin support, advanced order types like TWAP, VWAP, as you can see. Omni-chain deposits, starting with Arbitrum and Optimism, so you can also essentially trade with no fees, because fees on Arbitrum is like what, 1 cent, 2 cents, maybe 5 cents sometimes, depends on the load of the blockchain, obviously. Institutional grade API stack, on-demand addition of exotic trading pairs. They also have a lot of external integration, Telegram bot integrations, autonomous agents for trading bots, community-driven trading vaults, advanced tools to create automated trading strategies. Also the airdrop, which I wanted to cover, so that's it when it comes to LogX Pro. So yeah, as you can see, you have your order book. You can trade on cross margin. So this basically, if I'm not mistaken, is that you can have like multiple orders and the same margin covers it. If I'm not, mistaken, because there is cross and then there is also the other margin, which is separate margin, which I honestly prefer. But you have cross margin here, for example. It is also very good, but you need to know how to do the risk management and your capital management, which obviously I assume you know how to do if you want to trade here. But yeah, you can do your longs and you can do your shorts, and they have very good leverages here. You can have 20x leverage. Obviously you have multiple pairs. Currently I'm on BTC to USD, but you have, for example, Arbitrum to USD. You have Ethereum. You have multiple different pairs, right? You can transfer your money here, as you can see, quickly directly to your wallet. You log in with your wallet as well, which is very convenient. You just log in with MetaMask, Rabi Wallet, Coinbase, OKX, or OneKey. Obviously MetaMask the best option, I would say. So that's very easy to use and get connected to. What else I wanted to show you here is where it was. One moment, guys, I need to find it right now, but I had it pulled up. What I mean is hold on a second. I wanted to show you the bots. Okay, so it's here on LogX. So you have your bots, and then you have different strategies. And you can use the bots, for example, to trade, right? Perpetual's Grid bot and DCA bot, and the access is currently limited, but this is a game-changing feature that honestly, once this goes live, it will be totally game-changing for your trading. This is also coming soon, but you can see how it will look like, right? And it is backtested APY as well, so this is kind of cool, because as you can see, it is in fact generating you some profits. So that's that. And then what I also wanted to talk about is, maybe let's touch on Road to TGE program, which I'm also very excited about. Okay, so we have it here, LogX airdrop update 2, Road to TGE, guys. So 12% of total supply is allocated to airdrop before TGE. That's 120 million LogX tokens, and starting 6th of March, so this has already started, 5:30 PM UTC, users will be eligible for LogX drops every Friday till TGE, and LogX will be visible on the rewards page and converted 1-to-1 at TGE. Okay, that's where the name is from, Road to TGE. You have explanation of the whole program, how it works, how you can participate, all info about the drop, so that's why I will recommend you to also go visit the Substack page, which I will link down below. There is a drop per week of 3 million LogX tokens, and there is dual airdrop rewards opportunity with orderly airdrop coming as well, guys. You have all the informations and criterias, as well as how the tokens are dropped every single week right here, as you can see, 3 million. So there is trade on LogX OG, which LogX OG you can also access here. Switch to LogX OG, and as you can see, that's how it looks. So you have, okay, let's get back here. I have a lot of pages pulled up, as you can see. Trade on LogX OG, this is 1 million. It shows you how your allocation will be calculated. Provide liquidity on LogX OG, then trade on LogX Pro is another 1 million, so you can trade here and here, and sort of reap the rewards from both of these. Then referrals, as you can see, you can refer your friends and get tokens that way too. Leaderboards and surprise campaigns, which is also very cool and nice way to engage with the community. So that's that, and they also have this announcement on Twitter. So guys, go ahead, participate. I'd say it's really worth it. I mean, you can always get some nice tokens. That might be worth quite a lot, because LogX is a really strong platform with a proven and working product. So the token can really be valued pretty well. And airdrop, guys, is airdrop, okay? So you can really make some free money essentially from here. They also do have this automated bot called Alertatron, which is another thing that is game changing here, guys. So from some other advantages of LogX is the fact that they have omni-chain deposits, as I said, Arbitrum Optimism, and they also have on-demand addition of exotic trading pairs, guys, and they are on 2 chains, Orderly and Optimism. And I wanted to talk about this Alertatron, okay, LogX X Alertatron, as you can see. So what Alertatron is, guys, basically Alertatron brings automated trading capabilities on LogX Pro. So now you can execute perpetual trades based on signals, alerts, and even your own algorithms, guys. Plus, you can also seamlessly trade on LogX Pro directly from Telegram using Alertatron Telegram bot. So this is really revolutionary, utilizing the AI to make you profits in trading itself, which is absolutely incredible. And you can test it if you want. It is on Telegram, guys. It is a Telegram bot, but it is something really game-changing, and it shows you that AI could really be strong and huge when it comes to crypto and trading overall. So again, I want to recommend you to check out Alertatron as well as the Road to TGE on LogX. So if you are into trading, if you are looking for a place to trade, then LogX is the platform for you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will be reading out the comments and responding to them as always. So if you want to sort of chat with me or share your opinions with me and the rest of the community, then hit that comment, guys. Also hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed already. And that will be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.